So today I'm behind the wheel of the 2021 Audi RS7, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase just how easy it is to turn on launch control in this thing. So first off, you can turn off traction control via this button right here, or you can code it into your RS2 button. So right now I'm in RS1 because I've already depressed this button. Push it one more time. I'm RS2 and I have it configured to turn stability control off. Alternatively, you can just push the traction control off button. Right now I'm in park. I'm gonna go down into the manual mode. Then I'm gonna put 100% on the brake, and I'm gonna start giving it some gas, and you should see a message over here talking about launch control is active. So we're gonna do that right now, giving it some gas. Launch control active, letting go to the brake. And that's how easy it is to do launch control in the 2021 Audi RS7. Thanks for watching.